is up, guys? I'm here inside the Starion, taking it for one last little joyride around the neighborhood before we take her to paint, which we'll be doing tomorrow, hopefully. I got to start getting her ready for SPOCOM, make her look brand new again. So yeah, just sit back and put your seatbelt on and come with me for a ride in the K-Swap Starion. See if we can get some nice spool noises for you. I don't want to go too fast down my street right here. People have not complained yet, and I thank them for that. Not a single complaint. Uh-oh, fast truck, fast truck. Spool noises for you guys. Nice. That never gets old. That sound, that spool, the blow-off valve, never gets old. I think everybody needs to own a turbocharged vehicle at least once in their life. If not, what's stopping you? Boost comes on really smooth. It's more power. It feels like it has more power right now in like third gear. First gear kind of feels a little useless for some reason, but I'm sure that has to do with the tuning of it. So, but after SPOCOM, we're gonna really get on the whole race car aspect of this car. So we'll see how that goes. We don't want to beat it up too much and risk it before SPOCOM. So it is quick. It is a very quick car. So I mean the speed, the boost. I mean, it starts to suck you back into the seat. And like I said, if you haven't owned a turbo car before, or you haven't ridden a turbo car before, I mean, it's definitely a different feeling. I mean, when you accelerate and then the boost comes on, and then all of a sudden it just feels like a vacuum sucking you back into the seat. Never gets old. Oh, look at that. Let's see if this slingshot wants some. Some slingshot. So like I said, tomorrow we will be taking it to the paint shop, the same paint shop that did Jericho's Mirage Evo 4. I mean, it's definitely crunch time now. The Z, our 240Z is coming along pretty well. I'm probably just gonna put it on the back burner for just a little while, just a little bit, until we can get the Starion, make sure that one's going. We're probably gonna be expecting like maybe 3 weeks down for the Starion to be painted, hopefully. And then in the meantime, we do have another, I don't want to say small project coming in, but we do have another 240Z that is coming in that we will be rebuilding pretty much the whole car, as far as suspension, replacing the engine with my old engine, the one out of my Z. The suspension, steering, pretty much all it is right now is a rolling shell, and we got to put the whole thing back together. So too. Well, for a Sunday, there's a lot of people out today. Never, ever gets old. But that rattling does get old real fast. Coming from a mile away, and you can hear that rattling coming from even closer. Strong. All right, guys, we are back home. All right, cool. We are back home, and that's that. Hope you enjoyed that little ride. It got dark already. Hope you enjoyed that little ride. The point of view in a 1986 Mitsubishi Starion with a K24 swap. Alright guys, and that is the end of our little drive. Sorry my flash isn't working because my phone's about to die. But yeah, we're going to be, like, once again, I know I already mentioned it multiple times, we are going to be taking this car tomorrow to have painted. Hopefully everything works out with that. Jericho did get a few new goodies for this thing. He got a new front bumper. I know that the lower lip down there he got some new interior goodies, and also we're going to be replacing the fenders, because you saw down here it's all rusted out, as you've seen many times before. So all right, so yeah, that's it. Just a quick video of the Starion's point of view driving. So don't forget to like, subscribe, leave any comment you have below, or let your hate flow. Alright, man. You guys have a good night.